Right, so this is just going to be a quick video on how to install the GGHD flex cable, flex ribbon. So here I've got a recap board. So I've already taken out the screen, taken out the transistors, etc. that need to come out. And yeah, I've prepped the board basically. I've taken the fuses out as well, and obviously the actual fluorescent tube. Given it a good clean, and I've also added in the mod here for the brightness on a Benven, so you can use a 5 volts power supply. Right. So let's just get into it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we need to line up the SMS pin, and it goes onto the second pin in, which is just there. And then underneath here you can see pin 1 is marked, and that's where this first pin is going to go. So this lines up really neatly, so you can just see that number 1 underneath there. So there's the 1, and then it just goes on there. So let's turn the iron on. You should only really need this at 300, so we're just going to go at 300. Okay. So as you can see there, there's the 1, and that is just neatly lined up just here. So we are just going to tack this down first. Just make sure we're happy they're all aligned. That's perfect. Okay, and a bit of flux. Okay. And I'm just going to add a bit more to the SMS. Let's get that join. Next, we just need to fold this up. And these are going to go to M10 and M11. So I'm just going to put a small amount of flux on both. Fold this up. There we go. And then do the same just here. And then we can just fold this down. And then just double check. Okay, and that's it. That's that side done. Okay, so now we can come over to the other side. Okay, and this folds up. Now on the one ASIC model, there's a couple of things you don't need. So first thing we don't need, because we're going to be using the clock, which is going to FB1 there, we don't need this spare part here. So I'm just going to nip that off. Okay, and then the T10, which is here, is going to go here, so we don't need T10 at the top either. Okay, so I'm just going to pre-tin the FB1, T10. So now this one folds over and under, and we're going to and then like that, and then clock. Again, I'm just going to line that up there. So I'm just going to grab some tweezers, just hold that down. Strong bond. Okay, now we've got the brightness mod, so what we're going to do is attach from here to the left hand side of the flex cable. Okay, if you're not doing the brightness mod, you would just bridge these two. Okay, obviously I'm just doing this for installation demonstration. You probably won't want that cable to be that long. Okay. Touch module. So you've got G for ground, T for the I/O, and then the S there for, the 5 for 5 volts, which is VCC. Okay, and it is in the same order, just going across that way. So just lift up that cable, connect it in, drop it back down, just put a couple of screws in. And then I'm going to have to put the start in because it's attached to HDMI. So let's just wire up the start as well. And we need to bridge B. So okay, and then let's attach these onto here. And then the start button. Okay, so let's have a look. There we go. There's your brightness and touch sensor. Turn it on, turn it off. That's it. Easy.